Hi guys, Paul Ram here. Today I'm going to run over the Facebook ads targeting and how can you reach the right people for your company. With this video I want to make you think what Facebook ads or Instagram ads can do for your business. I will run over the 4 metrics we use with Facebook advertising to target the right people, but be aware that you can combine those metrics to make a strong audience to reach the right people for your company. Targeting option number 1 is location targeting. This is one of the most important targeting options in Facebook. For example, a local business owner, you don't want to reach people at the other end of the world, but you just want to focus on the people that are relevant for you and your business. So you can set, for example, the whole world as a target group, but also country, region, city, neighborhood, zip codes, and even a specific building you can target as a location you want to serve ads to. Targeting option number 2 in Facebook are demographics. For example, you can select age, gender, language, education, but you can also go a step deeper. Let me explain. Facebook has the option and gains a lot of data. And for example, they can see from parents that they have newborns, that they have preschoolers or teenagers. So when you are a business owner and you have a paid playground and you have, for example, a special day for 50% of the tickets off or whatsoever, you can target specific parents in a certain area based on the location who have preschoolers. So there's an amazing option how you can target and send your ads to relevant people. Targeting option number 3, that are interests. So when people like pages, interact with pages, go in groups, all Facebook does is record the data and create a back profile from it. So what will happen? We as marketers can then target those people what are interested in certain niches. So let me explain. You can target entertainment, games, people are interested in cars, maybe sports, fitness, yoga or whatsoever. So now we are in step 3 and let's do the combination. For example, we can target on location. We want to target all the people in Australia that are female between 20 and 25 and doing yoga or the interest have in yoga. So if you see, the combination makes clear for us what kind of niche we can already approach with our Facebook ads. Last targeting option in number 4 is behavior. Facebook can, for example, see what device you are using. Are you using an Android? Are you using an Apple? That are all behavior kind of things. As well, do you like soccer? Are you a soccer fan? That are behavior patterns Facebook can recognize. But another example of behavior patterns are you going on a holiday. Most of the time you spend in a certain area and then you're out of that area for an X amount of time. You come back and Facebook recognize and advertisers can target and you as business owner can target on that people are coming back from a holiday. A good example for this to target is when you sell digital photocopies of holiday pictures, you can approach them with a Facebook ad and say, hey, just back from a holiday, do you like 50% off for a new photo album? So that's specifically an irrelevant message for the people that are just coming back from a holiday. Thanks for watching, guys. I will explain a little bit more about my next video what's coming up. So how awesome would it be if you can target people that have exactly the same patterns, interests and online behavior as your current clients. So probably they're also likely to buy or have interest in your product or services. So that's what I'm going to explain in my next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the video. See you next time.